Hi, I'm Mary. Let me walk you through the complete GHL system I built for online career coaches. Starting off let, let me walk you through the pipeline, starting with the new lead call book, enroll did not enroll. So contacts move through each stage automatically based on their action. Nothing is moved manually. On the lead magnet, this is the opt-in page, um, which is the starting point. In some, um, I built this from scratch. Um, if someone submit a form, it will link to the thank you page where we have this automation um, clarity call. As you can see, the new lead appears and then as the new lead. And then if, for example, the book a clarity call, let's try. Yeah, then it will automatically move into the next pipeline. Let's check first if we receive the clarity call and the this one is the 20, this is the clarity call checklist which I created, also a PDF file. PDF file. So yeah, it went to the book call. What will trigger to enroll or did not enroll will be if someone, if they pay for the course, will move to the enrolled end, um, or after 14 days if there will be the decision to not enroll. So firstly, sorry, I will walk you through the sales page I created. So this is the sales high, I call this a high converting because I believe this, the copy of this and the design is well created, even though I created it as a sample work, but I believe this is a sample that all the elements for a high converting sales page is here. Yeah, yeah. I cannot um, walk you through in as a sample for enrolled because the sub account is not a bit restricted to create the online course. So if you need to show you course portal, I can share that to you in a separate video. So that's it. That's the full system. Lead capture, lead capture, nurture, booking, sales, and course delivery. All automated, all inside GHL. If you like this build for your coaching business, you can reach out to me. Thank you. Before I leave, sorry. I can walk you through the in your lead stage. I created an email sequence for this before they even book a call. So that's it. Thank you.